I welcome you all to the next session of marketing management. As you all know, in previous session we completed about the topic that is consumer behavior, and we started about the topic that is motivation. And you all know motivation. How does motivation play an important role in the organization in influencing the business at a greater scale? Clear to it? In today's session, we will be dealing with the theories of motivation. As management knows how motivation is important to deal with the scope or to the performance of the business organization or to have a huge success in the business. As you all know, in previous session we saw how motivation is important in every organization, because if the employees are motivated, they will to work hard for the organization. That means they will work up to their maximum level of capacity, and they can give best return to the organization. Therefore, depending upon that, the famous thinkers have derived some motivational theories. Today we will be focusing on one of the important theory from that is Maslow's need hierarchy theory, or Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Clear to it? Okay. Motivation theories. Motivation is a state of mind filled with energy and enthusiasm which drives a person to work in a certain way to achieve the desired goal. Motivation is a force which pushes a person to work with high level of commitment and focus even if things are against them. Motivation formula translate into a certain kinds of human behavior. Then it is very important to ensure that every team member in an organization is motivated. Various psychologists have studied human behavior and have formulated their findings in the form various motivation theories. These motivation theories provides great understanding on how people behave and what motivates them. Motivation is a huge field of study. There are many more theories of motivation. Some of the famous motivation theories includes five. There are five motivation theories which are very famously known as. First one is Maslow's hierarchy of need. Second one is Herzberg two-factor theory. Then we have is Mackleland theory of needs. Then we have is Vroom's theory of expectancy. Then M. Grieger theory of X and Y. These are five important theories of the motivation. So first we will be dealing with Maslow's need hierarchy theory in today's session. Clear to it? Okay. Maslow first introduced this concept of hierarchy of need in 1943 paper, a theory of human motivation. मतलब कि मैस्लोज नीड हायरार्की थ्योरी ये फर्स्ट टाइम इंट्रोड्यूस किया है मैस्लोज ने कौन से ईयर में 1943 में फर्स्ट पेपर में. कौन से नाम क्या था वो पेपर का? अ थियोरी ऑफ ह्यूमन मोटिवेशन, एंड हैज सब्सिक्वेंटली बुक्ड एंड इन हिज सब्सिक्वेंट बुक मोटिवेशन एंड पर्सनालिटी. और ये आगे चल के मोटिवेशन एंड पर्सनालिटी बुक में भी उसके बारे में बोला गया है. द हायरार्की सजेस्ट दैट पीपल आर मोटिवेटेड टू फुलफिल बेसिक नीड बिफोर मूविंग ऑन टू द अदर मोर एडवांस नीड. हायरार्की थ्योरी क्या बोलती है कि ह्यूमन बीइंग जो है वो जब मोटिवेट होता है ना, तो सब में पहले वो मोटिवेट अपने बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ को फुलफिल करने के लिए होता है. Then only if his basic necessities are one satisfied, then only he moves on further with satisfying other needs of him. Clear to it? While some of the existing schools of thoughts at the time, that is that is psychological analyst, relates tended to focus on problematic behavior. Maslow was much more interested in learning about what makes people happy and the thing that they do to achieve their aim. मैस्लो जो था ये उस टाइम से बहुत इंटरेस्टेड था बंदा था, और ये किस चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट रखता था कि लोग हैप्पी कैसे होते हैं और उन्हें क्या चीज़ हैप्पी करती है और कौन सी चीज़ें जो उन्हें हैप्पी करती है, और वहाँ पर वो गोल्स और अपने उस हैप्पीनेस से अपना गोल्स और ये अच्छे से अचीव कर पाते हैं. As a humanist, Maslow believed that people have an inborn desire to self actualize. मैस्लो क्या बोलता है कि के बारे में पीपल जो है ये अपने इनबॉर्न क्वालिटीज़ से चीज़ों को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं। और ऐसे कुछ तो चीज़ है जो इंटरनल फीलिंग होती है, उस इंटरनल फीलिंग से ही वंस द फीलिंग इज़ मोटिवेटेड यू गिव योर बेस्ट। ये मैस्लोस को पता चल गया था। दैट इज़ टू डू ऑल दे कैन बी इन ऑर्डर टू अचीव दिस अल्टीमेट गोल। और मैस्लो ने बताया कि ह्यूमन बीइंग में कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती है कि जो इंटरनल होती है, और वंस दैट इंटरनल थिंग्स आर सेटिस्फाइड दे विल डू एनीथिंग टू अचीव दैट goal. However, a number of more basic needs must be met, such as the need for food, safety, love and esteem. फिर मैस्लो ने बताया कि लोगों को जब उनके बेसिक नीड सेटिस्फाइड होते हैं तो वो अपने नेक्स्ट लेवल पर जाते हैं, दैट इज़ सेफ्टी। फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट लेवल पर जाते हैं, दैट इज़ लव। फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट लेवल पर जाते हैं, दैट इज़ सेल्फ स्टीम। लेकिन ये सब एक हायरार्की के थ्रू आगे बढ़ते हैं। बिना हायरार्की से ये कोई भी आगे नहीं बढ़ते हैं। इसलिए मैस्लो थ्योरी को हायरार्की थ्योरी भी कहा गया है। मतलब कि ह्यूमन बींग्स अपने वांट्स एक हायरार्की से सेटिस्फाई करता है। इट डज नॉट गो इन अ हैप्सॉर्ड मैनर। There are 5 different levels of Maslow's hierarchy of need. Let's take a closer look at Maslow's needs, starting at the lowest level known as psychological need. इंसान अपने नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए 5 लेवल्स में डिवाइड करता है अपने नीड्स को। पहले है, सब में पहले वो अपने साइकोलॉजिकल नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करता है, फिर वो सेफ्टी को सेटिस्फाई करता है। वंस द सेफ्टी इज सेटिस्फाइड देन ही गो थ्रू वर्ड सेटिस्फाइंग लव, देन एस्टीम, दैट सेल्फ ऑक्यूपेंसी। Maslow hierarchy is most often displayed as a pyramid. See, you can see in the diagram the Maslow's need hierarchy theory. It is always shown in the form of a pyramid, that is psychological, then safety, then loving and affection, then self-esteem, then self-occupancy. First one is, that is psychological. Clear to it? Okay. Maslow's hierarchy is most often displayed as pyramid. The lowest level of the pyramid are made up of the most basic needs, while the most complex needs are at the top of the pyramid. Need at the bottom of the pyramid are basic physical requirement, including the need for food, water, sleep, and warmth. Once these lower level needs have been met, people can move on to the next level of need, which are for safety and security. Further up the pyramid, the need for personal esteem and feeling of accomplishment take priority. Maslow emphasized the importance of self-occupation, which is a process of growing and developing a person in order to achieve the individual potential. Clear to it? ओके, फर्स्ट वन है साइकोलॉजिकल नीड। क्या है साइकोलॉजिकल नीड? मतलब इंसान समय पहले अपना खाना पीना सोना ब्रीदिंग ये सब चीज़ें फुलफ़िल करता है, और ये फुलफ़िल होने के बाद ही वो आगे बढ़ता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सिक्योरिटी। द बेसिक साइकोलॉजिकल needs are prohibitively fairly appearance. This includes the things that are vital for survival. Some example of psychological needs include food, water, breathing, homestays. In addition to the basic requirement of nutrition, air and temperature regulation, the psychological needs also include such things as shelter and clothing. Maslow's also includes sexual reproduction in this level of hierarchy of needs, since it is essential for the survival and propagation of the species. नेक्स्ट है मैस्लोस थ्योरी में सिक्योरिटी एंड सेफ्टी नीड. As we move up to the second level of Maslow's hierarchy of need, the requirement starts to become a bit more complex. At this level, the need for security and safety becomes primary. People want control and order in their life, so this need for safety and security contributes largely to behave at this level. Some of these basic security and safety needs include financial security, human health and wellness, safety against accident and injury, etc. Finding a job, obtaining health insurance and health care, contributing more towards a saving account. and moving into a safe neighborhood are all an example of action motivated by the security and safety needs. Next one is social needs. The social needs in Maslow's hierarchy include such things as love, acceptance, and belonging. At this level, the need for emotional relationship draws human behavior. Some of the things that satisfy these needs are friendship, romantic attraction, family, social group, community group, churches, religions, organization. In order to avoid problems such as loneliness, depression, and anxiety, it is important for people to feel loved and accepted by other people. Personal relationship with friends, families, and lovers plays an important role, as does involvement in other group that might include religion group, sport team, book clubs, and other group activity. Esteem needs. At the fourth level in Maslow's hierarchy, it is the need for appreciation and respect. When the need at the bottom three level has been satisfied, the esteem needs begin to play a more prominent role in motivating behavior. At this point, it becomes increasingly important to gain the respect and appreciation of others. People have a need to accomplish things and then have their efforts recognized. In addition to need for feelings of accomplishment and prestige, esteem needs include such as self-esteem and personal worth. Participation in professional activities, academic accomplishment, or team participation and personal hobbies can also play a role in fulfillment of self-esteem need. People who are about to satisfy the esteem needs by achieving good self-esteem and recognition of other team to feel comfort in their abilities. Those who lack self-esteem and the respect of others can develop feelings of inferiority. Together, the esteem and social level make up what is known as the psychological need of hierarchy. The next one, which is at the top in the pyramid, is called as actualization need. At the very peak of the Maslow's theory, at the actualization need, what a man can be, he must be. Maslow's explained, referring to the needs people have to achieve their full potential on as human belonging. According to Maslow's definition of self actualization, it may be loosely described as the full use and exploitation of talent, capabilities, potentialities, etc. Such people seems to be fulfilling themselves and to be doing the best that they are capable of doing. They are people who have developed or are developing to the full status of their capabilities. Clear to it? Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. In the second lecture, we will be dealing with the theory of next theory. Clear to it? Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. Be at home. Be safe.